So many science fiction stories depict the end of the world due to our neglect of the planet and of ourselves. Science fiction and movies, writers, they show a world that is rugged, rigid, red, and barren. All the animals gone. Us, somewhere in a spaceship, dead, or finally found home on another planet. If humans are on Earth, it's because they're trying to salvage and restart the ecosystem. But what if things don't have to be like that?
There's definitely a political spectrum of this. There's definitely a technology issue, and there's definitely the incentive of why people should change their behavior to facilitate managing their carbon emissions. And this is where it gets really interesting, because now we have data, we can track historical trends, and then the companies themselves that are implementing these practices to manage energy and efficiency of their resources, they can then go back and say, hey, these specific programs is what contribute to my bottom line and gave me access to alternative capital markets. And this is where, if I'm the CFO or CEO and I'm not trying to make a decision of how, why, where and why should I look at investing in a sustainability project, that's exactly the reason why. Brand awareness, shareholder value, as well as access to flexible capital that you didn't get access to before, that $55 trillion. So these are also very smart play. And yes, the net effect is to the planet, to ourselves, a positive experience. But really, it's about managing all those cost factors that's driving up your costs on a day-to-day basis. So those are the immediate benefits. We're not talking 30 years of recycling CO2 on a tree. We're talking about instant next quarter discussions.